Hi friends, let us take a look at paying BBMP property tax in 5 minutes. At the end of the video, we will also have a look at downloading the previous year's payment history of the property too. For these things what you need handy is property application number or any of the previous year's tax payment receipt, either manual or computer printed one. Now let us start things. Open a browser, any Google Chrome or Fedora, and just type it in google.co.in. This will launch a search page. In the search page you can give BBMP tax. Now when you enter, it will take you to a link where you can click on the BBMP property tax. This will take you to the home page of BBMP property tax payment system. When you see here, when you click on the tab present there are multiple options appearing. You should know the application number. This is what you can see here. Either the application number is 2016, 17, 18, 8, 15 or your PID number. So I can show you an example of property paid tax from where you can get this ID. As you can see in this example, there are two property tax receipt. One is the manual one is the computerized one. Both are the same actually. And you can see here, this is the application number which is starting from 208 and something. The same application number is here. So when we are going to enter this number in the property tax payment system, now we have seen. So coming back to this page, now I have selected SAS 2016 and then I gave the application property number and I click on retrieve. So you can click on this blank tab here. When your property number is correct, it will pop up the owner details. You can see this owner name and ward. So you can click on that radio button and click on confirm here. Now you can see this, all the things are put up here. Your application number is shown here, your owner name is shown here, mobile number is shown here, and you are paying for 2018-19. So click on proceed. You can see a checkbox here. Do not check the box because it just says if there are any changes in the property usage, then only you click the checkbox, right? Suppose your built up area was changed, you have reconstructed the building or something else. So until unless there is no change, click on proceed. Do not check this option. So now you come to the main page. You can see all your tax details are pulled up here, right? So the year of assessment 2018-19 and your mobile number, you verify all the details are correct or not. Khata number will be there, property number is there, your mobile number is there, owner's name is there, your residential property details are there like below you can see. And if you scroll down a little bit, there are other things given. There is a black pop-up kind of thing where it will show you what are the taxes you can pay and the deadlines, and in the top you can see all the tax breakup, and you can do even full payment or half payment or second half payment. Okay, so in my case I am doing full payment and click on this checkbox and click on online payment. You can do challan payment, online payment. I am taking it to online payment, and it says are you responsible for payment if it is duplicated and stuff. You are going to click on OK here. Now this is the complete amount you are going to pay, and you can see the transaction ID also. Please keep a note of this, and you can pay through credit card, debit card, net banking, Google Pay or some UPI. Any option is possible. Now you click any of this option, it will take you the page where you can pay using this transaction ID. You give your username, password. Once the payment is success, you are ready to go. Come back to the main page. Now again click on the right tab present and click on downloads. In the downloads you click on receipt print. This is the place. Once the payment is success, you have to come back and print here. Now you again give the same application number which we gave in the beginning. Yeah, the same application number which was there on the receipt or the manual copy what you're having. Once you give the application number here, enter the captcha here and click on submit button. Once you click on the submit button, things are done. It will pull the receipt of the print you have given just now. You had paid for 2019-20 years. You can see this tax receipt is come, and it's a digital one. You can see your application number here, year is 2019-20, your receipt number is there, date is there, owner's name is there, and your transaction is mode of payment, which mode you paid, transaction ID, total amount, and you can see a digital signature, a digital code also. Right side if you scroll, you can see which method you paid. Like in this case I had selected pay you, and your year of payment, and your SaaS application number, your old PID number, all the details of your property. You can see here below the payment details also. So this is completely done. Now you have paid the tax for 2019-20, and now let us see how to pull all the old payment history. You can click here. What you can do is right side again, click on the menu tab. Now you come to the payment status, click on the payment status tab here. Now you can see the application number is asked again. You enter the same application number previously we were giving 160 and stuff, and click on retrieve button. See, you can see here all the previous years, 2016-17, 17-18, 18-19, 19-20, which I have just now paid. So this will show you all the property history of payment of tax, whatever you have paid in the previous years also. So friends, that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. I would like to request you kindly subscribe to our channel. If you really like, please give a like button. Also please press on the subscribe button below this video, on the bell button, so that you will get all the updates we are pushing out. Next video we are planning on RTO clearance certificate making and ration card making in Karnataka. Thank you very much. Bye, see you.